Today, we're gonna show you how to grill simple, amazing, delicious corn on the cob on my Weber grill. So first things first, we're gonna get a little bit of prep done, but let's get cooking. Ingredients today, very, very simple. I started with 6 ears of sweet corn. Now, I did go through the entire bin to pick out the best 6 ears, so I know I have those. We've got a stick of butter in our basting pot. That's gonna help us baste off the corn, keep it nice and buttered. I have fresh ground pepper, salt, and then I also have a tub of water. In order to get this corn ready for the water, first thing I'm gonna do is feel right to the edge of the top, and I'm gonna trim that top a little bit. Then right where the bottom is, I'm gonna trim that off as well. I'll discard this, and then my goal now is, I don't know if you know this or not, but there is 1 silk for every kernel. Could be 600, 800 silks. I wanna get them all off, so I'm gonna go through, get this peeled real quick, right, just like that. That'll be discarded. Get this guy off here as well, and then what I'm gonna do is I'll just go through here very quick and twist it in both directions to remove as much of the silk as possible. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Why are you putting the corn in water? Why are you soaking it in water? Tell you what, that water is gonna help us out quite a bit because that warm water is gonna soak into this corn. It's gonna help give us some moisture, gonna give us a little bit of cooking power, right? Because it's gonna create steam, and that steam's gonna cook this off a little bit faster, giving us juicy, delicious, crisp corn. Now, we're gonna let this soak for about 10 or 15 minutes while the grill heats up to 450 degrees. That's gonna be our cooking temperature today. Cooking on our Weber Genesis today. We'll go ahead and get this started and ignited. Today's cooking temp is gonna be 450 degrees. So we'll close the lid, we'll get that up to 450, and we're ready to grill corn. We just hit 450 degrees, time to get the corn on. What I'm gonna do, listen to that. A little bit of steam starting off, right? What I'm gonna do is go ahead and get these guys loaded on here. Now, I'm gonna cook them at 450 for about 2 to 3 minutes aside, and then we'll start rotating this. And again, I'm thinking about 10 to 12 minutes total cook time, but cook them as long as you want to get that color that you are looking for. But that's it, pretty simple. We'll shut the lid, we'll get these guys grilled off. All right, we went ahead and started rotating these. Look at that. We're already starting to get a little bit of color. I'm gonna add the butter pot on there now, and we're gonna go ahead and close the lid, let this go again for another 2 or 3 minutes. We'll rotate it to the other side as well. Just like that, 12 minutes, we are done. We'll go ahead and get this on our platter. Next, we're gonna head into the kitchen with our butter, get these guys basted, seasoned, and then, yeah, I guess it's time to eat. All right, hot and delicious. It is time to get this basted with butter. Hey, you know what? Little extra butter on the side never hurts either, just in case you want to add extra. And I'll tell you what, time to add a little bit of salt. I used some of that beautiful flake salt. I love that stuff. And then we'll go ahead and season it up with a little bit of pepper. But I'll tell you what, that right there, absolute perfect grilled corn. 12 minutes, that's all it took. 12 minutes to make amazing corn on the Weber grill. Now, if you're looking for something else to go along with your amazing corn, try our filet mignon video. That is coming up next.